Since we're in 2021, so I just want to give a different culture of a meeting for Kappa and Kappa Youth. You know, it will be a different meeting with youth engagement, at least twice a year. So that was my plan. So a lot of Kappa Youth members, they're actually very busy in their school. They don't have time, so we can ask them to come like at least twice a year. So I hope they can find at least 2 hours in 2 years, maybe 1 year, not maybe 1 hour meeting, right? So we have some events. We are proposing to Kappa Abad, and let's see if they can approve us, and then we can put them on the calendar. So I can actually ask Waleed to start, and let's see what proposal he has for Kappa Youth. So we can take a look on the board of trustees and can approve them either now or later. Waleed, do you wanna show them?
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum everybody. I'm going to begin the meeting with starting off with Kappa Youth 2021 and 2022 event proposals. I have like 3 events planned out and 4th one that we just talked about right now, and I would like to talk about that with you guys as well. So the first one I was thinking is that we haven't reconvened after about 4 or 5 months after the Iqbal Day event. I think that was a successful event, and it's been like about 4 or 5 months since it happened. So I was thinking about a Zoom Netflix night for the youth sometime in March. This will be like a really good way to bring everybody together, get them to know that Kappa Youth is still a thing. Because I feel like a lot of the people already forgot. And I know everybody's really busy as well. So we'll just do like about 2 hours sometime in like March, and it would just be a good way to get everybody together. The next event I was thinking about was a talent show night, and I was thinking about doing that sometime in June. And the talent show night, we're gonna have kids and adults come up and present their talent, whatever that may be. It can be poetry, dance, singing, painting, sketching, whatever your talent is. We'll make it really organized the way the Iqbal Day event was, and have them like register before, and rehearse before they do it so that it looks very neat. The last one that I have in the slideshow is that last year we appreciated the personality of Allama Iqbal, and that was a really successful event. So I was thinking this year on Independence Day, we should talk about the struggle of independence and the personality of Quaid-e-Azam. I think that is really important. I think if we can remember his life and his personality and his struggle, I think that would be really good. And we're gonna make the youth do the research about Quaid-e-Azam's life. That way they're gonna learn more. When they have to present up on the stage, they need to have thorough understanding. So we're gonna make them do the research on this. Lastly, the last event, I don't have this one on the slides, we were just talking about this right now, but Kappa Ohio usually does a peace cricket match towards the end of the year. And we were thinking of adding a youth element to it, like 2 hours or an hour before, and do like a youth cricket event as well, if they want to play. Whoever wants to play can take part in that. That's all I have for event proposals. If anybody has any objections to any of these events, they can speak to me about it, and we can try to replace it then. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
I think the way it's supposed to work is we can make the motion, and then we can go through the approval process.
All right, so I will call Sajid Bhai as the chairman to make a motion and get the approval.
You can turn off one of these
The only thing I like to say, we have a like 14 August program for Independence Day. It's a different one with the, or we do the same day.
Oh, same. It will be added in the same on the same event.
Youth and other.
So we're gonna have to give a couple of our events to youth, so they can actually take over and have events. So it's one of them. The August 14th they're taking over.
Okay,
or we can do it together. That's
I think for now, what we are trying to do is that we can list out what is needed, and then the actual operational or technical stuff, how we're gonna do it, we can discuss later. And then the person, whoever is doing the organization of those events, they can come back at later stage and they can present that this is how we're gonna do it, and at that time we can provide some recommendation how to do it, I guess, right? But for now, I'm gonna make a motion to go for the approval, and I make that motion and I fuss that, and I think it's a good idea to have these events. I'm looking for someone to do the second and third. So you can say you approve as a board member.
Yeah,
This is
I
a
approve.
question to a board member.
I approve.
Second, third, fourth.
As a board,
fifth.
right?
We approve.
Okay.
As a board, right?
Yeah, as a board.
So we have majority, so it's approved.
Alright. So I think
I
based
have a
on,
quick question regarding the last event. He
Mhm.
mentioned about the cricket. As a youth, we are planning to combine all boys and girls. If he's planning
Right.
girls and boys together, then I really appreciate.
Right.
Then it's,
Right, yeah.
then
Yeah,
I'll go
why
for
not?
that.
Girls can play
see?
cricket too.
Yeah,
Right.
so that's okay.
yeah, and we can always figure out what is needed at a later stage, and we can go through the procedure, the operations of that. Is there anything else other than the approvals of these 4 events? Do we have anything other planned for this
Do you
year?
have any window?
Yeah,
like,
we have,
Yeah.
I have.
You do?
For Cabo, Ohio.
Do you have any window like which week you are planning? You mentioned the month, right? Like towards the end or towards the starting or mid-month?
Yeah, we can figure out the
I
schedule.
put the tentative months of the Kappa Youth events in the slideshow, so it's like starting in March and then every 2 months we can do like one event. So the
Yeah.
March one is just like an online one, so there's no investment or anything in that. So June, August, and then September. Something like
Yeah, month is fine, but if we can find out like which specific week you are looking for.
That depends on the
then it will be
availability of
easy
the
to plan
location.
for others, you know.
Yeah.
Kind
Yeah,
of.
we can figure this out. Timeline can be figured.
So I have planned few events, but it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be all of them. So, but I'm gonna just propose. So Kappa Youth events you already discussed, and what I'm proposing is a rapid fire event. So we're gonna have. So we're gonna have a rapid fire event where Kappa Youth members ask question, where you answer in a rapid speed, right? So have you heard about rapid fire? You know, so we're gonna have a similar event. It will be very different than our events, but if we can add this in the event and we can do this, and then it will be a potluck event. So everybody will be bringing their food. So it will be very minimum cost for us. So event is scheduled on, date is not announced, so cost is not announced either, so it will be a low cost event. So this is number 1. So Pakistani Independence Day, they already taken over, so we can either do it together and they can actually take the charge and organize this, but this is already discussed. So multicultural fashion show and community appreciation. So what we're gonna do, this is an event where people get to show off their cultures and traditional clothing. Especially it has to be colorful. And this event will contain musical activities, comedy, and an award ceremony for community leader and members. So this event will contain less people to start off the year. So we will not invite everybody from the committee. It will be a very limited seating event. So we will select who we want to invite. So the other one that we are proposing a mental health forum like we had last year. So this event is about mental health awareness. This event will include free snacks. Event is scheduled sometime in June 2021. And the cost is free, so we're not going to charge anybody since it's a free event. So this event is Eid al-Fitr. So normally we do have Eid al-Fitr event. So we can add a Basant in that event, so we can have 2 in 1. So we can call it Eid al-Fitr and Basant Mela. So this is an Eid al-Fitr and Basant event. There will be kite flying, kids dress show, karaoke, and a dinner. So event is scheduled sometime in May in 2021, and cost will be, I'm proposing $25, so we can always discuss that later. So the other event we have is Eid al-Duha event. and this is an event celebrating Eid al-Adha, like everybody knows. This event will be potluck and cost like $25 for non-members. So we can always discuss the cost later. So event is scheduled sometime in July 2021. So community appreciation and fundraiser. So we're gonna have a fundraiser event so we can invite people, we can raise some funds, so what we have a cause for. So community appreciation plus new community members, they will all come, welcome dinner. So anybody who moved to Ohio, it will be a welcome dinner for them. We will invite them, introduce them to our community. And fundraiser event with catered food. We will actually try to sell the table $350 per table of 8. So we can collect money also, you know, by having a higher price for the event. So New Year's event. So like we had a New Year's event, so everybody's very interested. They want to come and have fun. So New Year's Eve event with potluck, it will be $25 non-member and $10 who's a member. So event is scheduled on December 31st. Cost is $25 non-member and $10 for our members. And I think this is it for the 2021.
All right, guys, before I go for approval process, I wanted to make sure that we have some alignment. How many events are planned for rest of the year? Do we have a count?
I would say 8 events altogether.
8 events altogether, including the Kappa Youth?
Including Kappa Youth, yes.
Okay. All right, I think that's doable. We have hardly, 10 months to go. So we are looking at 1 event per month for rest of the year. That's what it sounds like.
I would say, I think the August one is combined, so I would say 7.
7?
7, yeah.
All right, that sounds reasonable. Another question that I had, if we are going to raise funds and we'll have some of the newest member of our community recently moved in, do we feel that it would be a little bit burdensome or laborious for them, or is that the right event?
It's optional, but we can collect most of the money by selling it on the table. Like $350 per table, it will not cost us $350. It will cost us maybe $150. So we can raise some money from the tables too. It will be like $3,000 profitable event. You can raise the money if you do other things.
Okay. And
Once
some
a
of
year.
the, all right. So some of the other events that are supposedly free, I think there will be some cost.
Yeah, we can add that. Yeah.
So that cost needs to, we don't have to have an accurate estimate, but have a ballpark and see out of those 5 or 6 free events, how the cost.
It's only
looks
one
like.
free event.
There's only one free event?
Mental health, that's it.
Okay.
The other events have charge.
Yeah, it's like $25.
Non-member and $10
So
a member.
$25 per member?
Non-member.
Per person?
Per person non-member and $10 per person for a member.
For a member?
Yes,
Okay. So member will pay less money than the non-member?
of course, yes.
But everybody will pay some?
Everybody will pay, yes.
And we're gonna have a sort of online way to actually get the money? Because
Yes.
nobody carry cash?
Yeah, we already have a website, so we can ask them to prepay.
Okay, okay. That sounds reasonable. So we don't have to work out every single detail, but I wanted to have a feel for it. It sounds like this is something we can do.
Yeah.
So I can make a motion to go for an approval. I first that. I'm looking
Actually,
for-
there are some events that you can combine together, like
Yes.
you are saying rapid fire event. Rapid fire event can go some other event, you know. And
Yeah, we can,
multicultural,
yeah, we can add that.
it can talent show and
Yeah, I think it's a good idea.
multicultural
We can
show
add a
is-
rapid
you
fire.
can combine those show together.
We can rapid fire, we can add on Eid al-Adha event. So we
Yeah,
don't have
you
nothing
can
to do
add
over there, so
that
we
event
we
over
added
there.
Basant on the Eid al-Fitr.
Yeah.
So rapid fire, we can add it, and yeah, that's a good idea.
So what we are saying is we don't have a disagreement on principle
Yes.
about all these things,
Yes.
how we combine it and organize it. This is something we can discuss at a later stage.
Yes,
Is that fair to say?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay.
I like the idea she proposed.
Yeah, yeah, that is.
All right, so we'll have a more manageable number of events.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, in my opinion, it all sounds reasonable. So I'm gonna approve as a board chairman, and I'm looking for second, third, and fourth. If you
Yeah,
guys,
if we are combining
Let's make it
events.
more effective.
Everybody agrees, yeah.
no. Anyone who has any concern, any question, anything that does not rhyme with you? All right. Okay.
The only thing I feel is that $25 seems
For non-members.
for non-member, right? Family of 4 or 6 of pay $150.
And it is not only fees,
Or they can,
it is
they
also
can combine the kappa and then.
Oh, so they will
if
pay
you are
money and
putting
then
the
it will
fee,
be a
you
potluck.
cannot
both?
do potluck.
No,
That's another good point.
Yeah,
if it's a potluck event, it will be $10. I mentioned
I
that.
mean, whoever
For
is
non-members.
bringing
For
the
non-members
food,
only, yeah.
whoever
Yeah.
is bringing the food with
Yeah,
with
we'll not
them.
charge for that, but for non-members, it will be $10 for potluck events.
I think I see the point. The point
Yeah.
here is that people will feel we are paying money and we are
And
bringing
bringing the
food.
If
No,
we say
my-
potluck,
No,
then-
my point is if it's a potluck, there's no charge for members. It's
No, ये
potluck.
suggestion
Even-
दिया
even the
उसने
non-member
suggestion कि
is not
अगर
bringing
पोटलक
the
हो
food.
potluck
Yeah.
भी करते हैं
Then
तो
you're gonna
fees
charge
नहीं
them?
देते।
No, we charge them because
No, still there is
Yeah.
some cost.
because they have, we encourage to have a membership. So if they don't have a membership, they have to pay even for
वही
potluck.
कह रही हूँ
So
कि
if
उधर
somebody is
लगाया
paying,
हुआ
then
है
they assume
कि
that
वो
food will
potluck
be
भी है
included. So
और
I
$5
think
वो $10 members पे भी कर रहे हैं और
I
non-member
think
भी
only for
$50
non-members.
दे
I
रहे हैं।
think
Nobody
we-
will come.
I think we can encourage them to
Either
sign up.
either you can do
membership.
potluck
So they
or
can
you
get the
can
free
put a
or
fee.
charge the money.
These
No,
are not.
even with the potluck, there is still some cost.
Yeah, you cannot
Like
charge them if
coffee
they are
and
doing
other
potluck, you
things.
know.
The part of we have an event cost, like a lot of things, are not for free. So-
Because we are doing fundraising as well and other events as well for collecting the money, you know. And
Yeah, but-
we are, there are membership for the people too. So either you can do potluck or
So
for
I,
a
I want to create an environment that people will feel privileged. They are member and non-members. So non-members should not feel like they're acting like a member.
I'm
right,
just
coming over.
suggesting
नहीं,
those
वो
people
ये
will
बात
not
कर
come
रही है।
if they are paying and they are bringing
Bring
the food.
potluck वो ये कह रही है कि अगर people
Members
They will
will
not
not
come.
pay. Members will not pay
Okay.
वो
regardless.
ये कह रही है कि अगर लोगों ने पे भी करना है और पोटलक भी लेके आनी है तो ये चीज़ ठीक नहीं है दोनों। यहाँ तो वो पे करें तो यहाँ वो फिर खाना एक बन डिश लेके आएंगे।
Yeah.
तो दोनों और दूसरा वो जो इमरान भाई कह रहे हैं कि $25 जो है वो अडल्ट के लिए तो ठीक है लेकिन अगर उनके पास 3 या 4
We can decide. Yeah, we can decide.
But I think that will be an incentive for them to be a member.
Yeah, for the members, that is fine. Non-member लेके आएंगे.
Unless they're coming from some
लेकिन
other family.
अब जिनका 4 या 5 साल का बच्चा है वो
exactly.
$25
Per family, we
I
can
have
do per
been asked
family.
from people, what's the difference between member and non-member coming to the event?
नहीं वो बात ठीक है लेकिन वो जैसे अगर जैसे $25 पर पर्सन है फॉर एग्जांपल मैं हूँ तो मेरे पास 4 बच्चे हैं जैसे आमना है $24 पर पर्सन उसके लिए ज्यादा है अरहम के लिए भी ज्यादा है मोइज के लिए भी ज्यादा है तो मैं प्रेफर करूंगी कि बच्चे ना जाएं।
I don't want to go into detail, but there will be justification for the price, especially when it comes to 12 and under and 12 and over, obviously.
So
There will be a
let's
price
keep that,
structure.
let's park this discussion
Yes.
for next
Other committee.
meeting. And what we will do is, we will figure out a way what is more reasonable.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
या फिर
Is that
पर
okay?
जैसे तुम अगर पर फैमिली कर लो कि $100
family
पर
कर लो।
फैमिली कर लो
Per family.
पर फैमिली वो ठीक रहेगा लेकिन
I don't agree with per family because I agree with per person because we pay the cost per person.
ओके तो फिर पर पर्सन में मुझे लगता है $25 पर अडल्ट जो ठीक है
So we
लेकिन
can discuss that after this meeting.
Depends on the event also. Whenever event will come close to that date, we will discuss in the और मुझे लगता है ये अगर ये जो प्राइस है ये वेन्यू पे डिपेंड करके फिर इतने प्राइस हाई रखते हैं अगर आपका वेन्यू अच्छा है तो फिर ये कॉस्ट ठीक है
If a family has to pay more than $100 to participate in an event at the same time they're bringing in food, yeah, you know, we can see
There is
how
more
many families
cost
come in.
involved other than food. So the other cost will be paid by non-members.
I agree with it, but जितने भी लोग हैं हम सबको जानते हैं यहाँ पे कोलंबस में जितने रहने वाले हैं हम सबको जानते हैं अगर आप फीस भी रखेंगे पर पर्सन 25 और
No, 25 नहीं.
मतलब नॉन मेंबर्स
Non-member $10 for potluck events, and members are free on potluck events, and they bring.
Members are
potluck
free.
events. Yes.
Okay.
Members are free.
Give non-member $10.
Only non-member
Yeah,
$10.
that's fine.
So,
Yes.
so we can encourage
Because
them to
मैंने
be
अभी देखा था members are paying $10 and
I'll correct that if you have seen it. But only non-members will pay $10 in potluck event.
और ये डिपेंड करता है कि वेन्यू पे भी अगर तुम्हारे पास अच्छा वेन्यू तुम अच्छी जगह पे करना चाह रहे हो तो फिर
What I'm trying to focus,
सब इधर ही
Yeah,
आएंगे
exactly.
And the cost will go up.
Yeah.
I want to I want to filter all the people out with cheap mentality. We want quality people in the event, and quality, we provide them quality event.
Right.
I have a little bit of a disagreement here. We should extend our access and their access to everyone, right?
Yeah.
People need to be a part of the community, but we can figure out a way how to incentivize people to be a member without making it very difficult for them to be a part of.
Right.
Very valid.
Yeah.
So we
I agree
will
with
figure
that.
this out,
Yes.
but for now, Bart is not comfortable on a price at the moment. We
We
are
can
giving
discuss that,
you,
yeah.
we are giving you the approval for the event, but the cost would have to go through another round of discussion and approval.
The price structure has to be rediscussed.
Yeah.
और मुझे लगता है प्राइस जो है वो तुम्हें उस वक्त वेन्यू और मेन्यू पे डिपेंड करके फिर रखना चाहिए.
So we will have a meeting prior to the event. So we will discuss all the price structure right before the event, like a month before.
A month before.
Yeah. So we will need to have another approval for the price structure.
Yeah. And at the same time, we should be able to get the volunteers. We should be able to get the volunteers, whoever's supposed to be helping you out, right?
Yeah.
You might need some volunteers at that time, right?
Actually, we pay our volunteers now, like $40, $30, so they feel like they got some
So I
money.
think next discussion, let's find out the venue of each event actually and what are the priority of the event, where they gonna go, and like a table event, we need like some very bigger venue or something, right, so we can decide.
Yeah, we can work out the logistics. That's okay. That's all. All right. So I guess we have approval for what we were aiming for. Is there any other business that needs to be discussed part of this meeting, or you have presented everything that you were planning to, and you got what you needed?
Started from March, right, the first meeting?
I think the dates are still needs to be finalized.
March, right,
Yeah.
from March?
Dates are still needs to be finalized.
No, the month is March, right?
Yeah.
First event.
There's a ballpark time estimate, but there's no fixed date at the moment.
No, I'm talking about month. The first event is gonna take in March, right?
I believe so, but I don't recall on top of my
Why
head.
I'm asking, because we have to keep that in mind, all the assumptions also, like the things are going on, fine, they are going down, but it can go up also, it can be
March one
something
will
else,
be
you know?
online.
So we have to keep.
So we will, if we end up doing event in March, we'll go with the state guidelines to make sure that we are in compliance.
Yeah, I was not comfortable with the, no, the thing which we did actually, the one day, right? I was not comfortable because the mob, it was too rush actually. And we mentioned on the group like we gonna do the protocol, but nothing was done actually at that time. We overlooked actually. And that should not be, you know?
Yeah, but I mean, if you look at any other typical suburb in America, most, even Caucasians or colored people, or no matter who you look at, not everybody is comfortable following all the guidelines. They have problems. Some people don't even wear masks. And they put up a big fight, even with the authorities. We can recommend, we will tell them what are the guidelines and how they're supposed to join. But what we cannot do is we cannot police people.
No, my point was number of people. Whatever the event we organized here earlier, it was perfectly alright, because that was the big area and the less people. But the event which we organized there, there were so many people and it was not comfortable.
Okay, no, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. And your point is also noted that we need to look at how we can combine few things, and the other point you were making, that the cricket match, how we can make that a better event. So all these things are noted, and we'll make sure that these things are addressed. We'll make sure that.
That will be great. Combining event is a very good idea. We've already gone 2 months.
So I think the approvals are officially over. So I would just like to add on a few things about, especially for Kappa Youth. So I understand that I have received a response that a lot of people don't have time. So they're very focused on their studies. But I think as parents, we need to talk to our children that this is very important to stay engaged in the community. So we are having a big struggle with our own children. said, we want our children to be engaged, but they're not ready for it. So we have a struggle, but it has to be a continued, the struggle has to be continued. You don't have to give up. Okay, number one. Number two, so I'm going to ask Kaba Youth to bring more friends other than Pakistani origins in the event. So I want to see some more faces from Mexican community, from like American, white Americans, black Americans, from people from other origins to be able to join and integrate with our community. So who else think this is important? Anybody else think this is important? To have your friends, right? So are we doing anything about it? As a person, like you as a person have talked to any of your friends. Can you please join us? We have an event. So I want to know who has talked to their friends. Have you talked to your friend to come over? So a lot of people haven't talked. So we have to actually open up to the people with different origins. We have to introduce ourselves. We are Pakistani. We have a platform called Community Association of Pakistani Americans, which is called KAPA Ohio. And we have founded KAPA Youth, okay, and then give them your mission statement, what you're trying to do. We're trying to build a bridge between Pakistanis and other communities to come and hang out together, right? So this is what we're trying to do. This is a vision you guys need to have, how important it is for them to know who you are, who your parents are, right? So if you actually, people get to know you, there will be a less racism between us, believe me. They need to know you, they're friends. If they don't know you, you have to introduce, right? On a larger scale or a smaller scale. So how many youth I can commit that they promise to talk to their friends for them to come over in the next KAPA Youth event? So I see two hands raised. So Alima, Laiba, do you think it's important? No. So Aris is very motivated to invite other friends, right? So Fiza, Laiba, Rabia, do you think it's important to invite your friends for KAPA Youth events?
Yeah,
I mean, okay, you want to come and say something?
No, I was asking, like, you know how, like, we have the fundraising and, like, we have to pay for, like, tables and everything? Are, like, the new non-members, like, you know, new, like non-Pakistani, do they also have to pay or no?
Actually, we'll keep them free because people other than Pakistani and Indian descent, we will offer them free events for them. And I would personally announce if they want to. We'll keep like maybe 20 seats for people who wants to join us from other community. Like 20 seats. We're not going to open up the whole event. So 20 seats are limited by RSVP, so we know who's coming. So give us their name, their phone number, the information, so we can add them on the event. So on the reception, we can say, hey, he's a friend, referral. So let them in for free. And they will feel obligated, to invite you again, on their own functions, right? So we have to open doors. We have to open doors of our community to others, right? Regardless of religion, Hindu, Muslim, Pakistani, American, even Europeans, they can come. It doesn't matter, right?
And I think we should be encouraging from our perspective now. If we are encouraging our kids to do the same, right? So we'll have to basically maybe bring other people too.
Right.
Yeah.
So we are. So since then, I think this is important, even as our own community. So in the future, if anybody wants to run for office, so we have more volume of votes. Just in case. This is very important to have good vision about the future. So I think let's have adults. So who's going to invite? Who's the adult here who can invite their friends from different cultures? Right. Okay, I've seen all hands raised other than Imran Suleiman. And Amir Bhai. Okay, so at least we promise and we do fulfill our promise. We talk to people. We just don't sit down and just say, okay, they will come. So we have to talk to them. So thank you very much for listening, and thanks very much for supporting. And we have a new member. He came all the way from Toronto for KAPA Peace Cricket match, Mr. Karan. So he came from India, and I invited him to be my host today. So I thought he'd just come and join us because he's actually driving from Florida, I guess. So he's stopping by Karan. So he's also running a campaign in India for farmers. So mashallah, he's a well-known leader there in India, and he's helping his country out of that recession. Maybe Dr. Vikas will be very helpful for you to talk in the future. I want you to connect with him too. Thank you very much for listening. Anybody has?
Assalamualaikum, hi everyone. I think मैंने शायद पहले mention किया था कि हम लोग शायद youth से especially I want to talk to Kappa youth. And I have spoken to Walid couple of times about doing a live session once a month. I have to talk to Sajid Bhai and Amjad about the details, but so that will be called Jasarat Ohio se Brahira. उसका नाम होगा Jasarat Ohio se Brahira, and that will be I'm planning last Saturday of every month. We will be sitting together either online or in my basement, where we'll be shooting it live. First few sessions we do recording and editing and then broadcast it, and later on we can, when you guys are comfortable, we can do direct live. It will be like a 45-minute session in which we want to show your opinion to people outside America sitting in Pakistan, that you guys are very well aware about the current affairs going on there as well as here, because there is a misconception about our youth who are being raised in America. And I can say that because I communicate with them quite often on these issues. So issues will be our social issues, like dowry, jahez, okay? We will begin with this. And we will have both opinions, because things can go either way. And we will be sitting just like a discussion session. If anyone has seen the program Zawiya, that Ishfaq Ahmed Zawiya, the same kind of sitting, but it will be in a more modern way. So that is the program, and you guys have to come forward and give me the names if you are interested in this. And you want to say something?
Yeah, do you want to do it in Urdu or English?
Like mix. I don't think there should be a language like a barrier. It should be both Urdu and English, because at the same time we have to promote Urdu language also. So today is the language day actually. I don't know if you guys know or not. Today is the International Language Day. So we have to promote our own language. But you can, in between, you can speak English, and if there is something very difficult, I am there to interpret it in Urdu, because the audience will be very common people. So they are like, I have a page where there are like 50,000 followers. So they can listen you guys live. And the purpose is just to bring your opinion to them on very common issues. Okay? So if anyone has suggestion about this particular program, we can always modify it. But I'm thinking to start it with the name Jasarat, because I'm already writing this series for the last 3 years. And then Ohio se Brahira.
Actually, it is really good.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea. Let me make sure that So what we will do is, we will discuss what kind of message we want to send. That's one thing. Number two, all those topics needs to be screened and approved, so we are in a better position. I don't anticipate any issue. I think this is a good initiative, and we should be able to participate. I don't see that on principle any issue with that.
Right.
I'm looking for other board members if anybody has any questions.
I will bring it in the writing and send it to you for approval.
Oh.
We can share it in the board, yes.
And then we can.
Sounds like a good plan.
Yes, it's a great idea. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I think engagement of our youth in these social issues is a good idea.
Yes, very important.
I really appreciate also.
And then once in a while, it's not only about youth. We can invite one of the senior members,
Yeah.
sit together.
Yeah.
It can be online, or it can be in a house like we were sitting yesterday. And we can shoot it like live. Initially we'll edit it, and then later on when they are comfortable speaking, we make it live.
And we'll have some opportunities like Amjad Islam, Amjad, Faiz Ahmed, so some of the other people they visit here.
Yes.
We can invite them in some of our events, and we can have them provide their own opinions. Right? So that would be nice.
So like once a month, and we will choose a topic relevant to that happenings during that month. And then in the end we give like a take-home message derived from that discussion.
Right, and like you were saying that we can record some of those in advance. If somebody is just coming based on their own schedule, we can have that recording done, and then maybe make it part of our, regular event, and then broadcast that, okay, this is the discussion took place earlier, and now we are giving our own opinions, sort of thing, right?
So I have some software where these programs can be simultaneously broadcasted in more than one page. For example, it's live on Kappa page as well as on my page as well as on multiple pages, including YouTube, Twitter. So there's like an art stream, and it can be 5 or 6 portals at the same time.
I have one thing to say. I've been thinking about having a Kappa TV, and that can be sort of like on a YouTube channel type of thing, where you can have a broadcast that you can do on a regular basis. This is very, I know most people may not be comfortable, I guess, but I don't see that as a problem. Having that kind of channel, that view, I think that would be helpful. And it can be maybe some of our physicians sitting down and providing their opinions on COVID maybe. It can be, it doesn't have to be just one thing. It can switch from current affairs to medical issues to whatever.
Actually, in 45 minutes, we can discuss 15, like mental health. You
Mental
mentioned.
health.
Mental health is a very hot topic, and we can talk about it, how it is ignored. So yeah, definitely COVID crisis, and we can talk about it, because being a doctor, I can always include 5 minutes of a health tip into that part.
And I think one more thing that we can do is every once in a while, we have some of those, our embassy folks come here and, they perform some of those tasks, administration tasks, and they help, get passports and whatnot, right? And they can participate, and maybe some of our politicians that they visit, we can invite them to be a part of that discussion as well, right? So they'll appreciate that.
But we need like 3 or 4 permanent members from the youth, who most of the time will be part of that team. And 1 or 2 members can always be different, but they should be a face to that team. It's not like every time is a different person sitting.
Right.
As you see Zavia program, there's always Ishfaq Saab, and then like 3 or 4 people, and then 2 3 people change. So that people should know your name.
That's a good point.
After a few episodes, they will actually know you by name.
And we can have a coordinator role, and we can have a facilitator role. So I'll be more than happy to play at least one role to be a part of that conversation. And we can make sure that not everybody is available all the time. So having that kind of supportive system that whoever is available can, cover for that. So this is not dependent on one individual or few individuals. Right?